welcome back. In case you're coming across my channel for the very first time, welcome. My name is Modoni. Please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. For returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my content. Now this is me, and I've been meaning to do an updated video of the planting video. And we were planting zucchini and dahlias. So just a quick update on the progress and the time it has taken for the plants to grow. So come with me. It has been like a month since we planted, but of course the plants started growing immediately, like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and yeah, let's go check them. Of course, with planting it's a risk. I did a very good job, honestly. but not everything everything didn't go as planned. So yeah, we have the zucchini plants. This one, this one. Yeah, not bad. Considering we paid like 100 shillings for the whole packet and we didn't even use half of it. It's not that bad. So but yeah, this is it. Unfortunately, the dahlias are not doing so well. We have like 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. I'm hoping I'm hoping all is not lost, but I think a month is enough to show the real fruits of our labor. And these are onions. Yellow beans were being planted here, and of course you can't see. I wish I came earlier. I wish I thought about this idea earlier. Yeah. The sukuma wiki, as always. Look at me just stepping. And then yeah, that's it. Make the video a bit longer. I need to talk to everyone. I have a headscarf. Let me pull it off. Yeah, have dreadlocks. So just a tip for anyone who might be struggling with, what do you call them? Someone who might be struggling with build up. I had a very bad situation with build up, and I saw some suggestions online. I've always known that apple cider vinegar has been said to have I've always known that people use apple cider vinegar to loosen up the build up, but I once tried, but I think I did it the wrong way. It's because I just put some apple cider vinegar on my hair, and then wore a cape and went to the salon to have it washed, and nothing happened. It just left the cape smelling like apple cider vinegar, and I kind of gave up. So I started dyeing the build up with black shampoo. However, recently I decided I'm going to give it a second chance, and this time I mix it with baking soda, which is not a must, honestly. You can do without the baking soda. So I put some. The situation was worse, it was bad, so I decided to try the apple cider vinegar. I put some baking soda, I soaked for some time. I sprayed my hair with it, and then minutes later there was someone who was helping me. I was at home, and we had people. Oh, I was at my auntie's and we had visitors, and I asked one of my auntie to help me with, like trying to remove the buildup, and they did it quite easily. And then I went to the salon, had my hair washed, and it's clean now. And I also did it like I gave it one last rinse, and I can say for real, it works. So if you're struggling with build up, you have dreadlocks, please try that out. Thank you for watching today's video. If you like this video, please share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe. I hope to see you on my next video. Bye.